evening, everybody. This is March 28th, and this is the corn trade of today. Things are going all right. We didn't get triggered, however. This is our entry point at 641 on the March contract, and we never got down there within 1 cent, really. It's a directional trade, and we got aboard the directional trade at this point where it was clear what was happening. The night had passed. It's moving through the envelope top, and so we got long here. This is a hold long situation in corn, so we're holding long. However, we actually took the trade on the May contract, and hang on a second. Let me show you what that looks like. So this is a May contract, and as you see, it looks exactly the same. And that's what we would expect it to do. If you're not familiar with the contract rollover, I want to show you one other thing. The Chicago Mercantile Exchange website, Pace of the Roll tool. It's very helpful in these situations. So let me pause this and bring that up. So this is what it looks like. As you see, it's called Pace of the Roll. And if you Google CME Group plus Treasury Pace of the Roll, you'll come to this page. And what it does is, let me get it centered here, it shows you the percentage of contract rollover at any particular date. And the black line is the current. And if we take another look, let's get up a little higher here. If we hit here the historical, it'll give you the other way of looking at it, which basically shows you that we're essentially very close to being fully rolled over on this corn contract here. Let me get this centered. I can't move the movie window the way I want here. If you go to the financial tab and look at the bonds, it's a little clearer. You see that there are 62% of the bonds rolled over, and the rest of them are going to be rolled over to the new contract, 30-year bonds. The new contract here in another day or two. So if we do this, the current percentage, you see this is the old contract, and here it's rolling over to the new contract. So this happens over a few days period of time. It's different for every contract. But that's what we need to keep our eye on when we switch from one contract to another, is exactly when to do this, and any time in this period here is perfectly reasonable to do. So in corn, starting today, we really need to be out of the March contract and into the May contract, which is what we are. We took our position today in the May contract, and that's where we start. So this is the hourly on the May contract. And that's where we took our trade today. And at the moment, we have a good profit in this trade from 649 up to 657. We're letting it run. The new targets would be, I gave them in the report, a new stop and a new target. Move your stop to break even, and that's where we are. Sorry for the long movie, but I wanted to cover that pace of the roll. Talk to you tomorrow.